Introducing the Tikom L9000 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a standout in the robotic cleaning market with impressive features. With 4,000 pascals suction power, the L9000 efficiently cleans pet hair, dust, and debris from carpets and hard floors. LiDAR navigation ensures precise home mapping, avoiding obstacles and reducing missed spots with methodical cleaning patterns. Smart mapping allows customizable cleaning routes, offering up to 14 no-go zones for tailored home protection. A 150-minute battery life supports larger spaces, ideal for bigger homes or multi-room sessions without frequent recharges. The Vacuum Mop combo suits various floor types, though the mopping is better for light cleaning than deep stains. The L9000 is noisy at high settings. Some users report app issues and challenges in tight spaces under low furniture. Despite its higher price, the Tikom L9000 is a strong choice for powerful, intelligent cleaning, especially in pet-friendly homes.